So now that we know how to multiply decimal numbers, let me see if you can do these exercises.
Can't wait to start.
Multiplication of decimals. What is 0.8 times 7? Multiply normally, ignoring the decimal points. Then put the decimal point in the answer. It will have as many decimal places as the two original numbers combined. Let's first multiply the numbers. 8 times 7 equals 56. Then count the digits after the decimal point. Here it is 1. We place the decimal point after one digit counting from the right. The answer is 5.6. So 0.8 times 7 equals 5.6. Excellent! What is 5.8 times 3?
Thank you for watching. Enroll now. To access all 184 videos totaling 16 hours and 38 minutes, featuring introductions, examples, and exercises for Grade 4 Math.